infinitely more
yeah,
dangerous.
nice.
Omri, Omri, please, Omri, please.
Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Fuck's
Nice.
sake.
Oh, Omri and I kind of destroyed up here, not gonna lie. 2v3.
Well, I was soloed by the, what is her name? Mizuki and...
Ah, yeah. What happened to the team?
I don't know.
I mean, we won that fight though, so that's good. Good work. Hell yeah, me and Omri.
Of course, of course.
Oh, nice. Come on, Sigma, off the map you go. That's so disgusting.
Yeah, it looked pretty grotesque. That fan didn't go off. Oh, this game sucks. I visibly threw it. Oh my god.
There seems to be a lot of weird things with the ultimate. It seems to be blocked by a lot.
I swear to God, I visibly threw it and nothing happened. Like,
I must admit, I'm having so much fun as this character. Recreating the fucking promotional material where they threw Hazard off the same area where I just did the Sigma is fucking insane.
That's how it'll be.
I have to remember my Per does damage. I can actually dive people with it. What the fuck am I doing? Not dive that far. Nice. Very nice. Kitsune? Kitsune? What's her name? Fucking Kiriko. There you go, dead.
There are other people alive at one point. Okay, got it.
She's dead. I altered her.
Jesus.
Holy fuck, this character's fun.